This is the ball fence swing gate, a robust self-closing pedestrian gate with an adjustable length aluminium hoop, designed to be paired with our ball fence railing system. In this video we demonstrate how easy it is to install. After unboxing the gate assembly, remove the signage cover with a Phillips head screwdriver and spanner to access the hoop securing bolts. With a spirit level, ensure that your mounting post is level and plumb. Mounting the gate on a post that is not straight will severely affect its performance and put unnecessary strain on the dormer unit. Using the mounting bracket as a guide, align it to the top of the handrail. Mark and drill two 11 mm diameter holes. Then, secure the bracket with the supplied fixings. Now that the bracket has been mounted, measure. And then cut the hoop to the desired length. Slide the plastic handle over the hoop and insert into the gate bracket, tightening the securing bolts. Locate the push-pull labels and place them onto the handle, noting the correct orientation. Secure the handle with the two self-tapping screws. Install the striker plate onto the end of the hoop and secure with the included fixings. Note the direction the gate closes to ensure it is on the correct side. The signage cover can now be placed back onto the gate using the screws removed in the first step. Finally, with a flat-head screwdriver, locate the speed adjusting valve on the dormer unit to adjust the gate speed. Valve 1 controls the swing of the gate while Valve 2 controls the stopping pressure. Your ball fence swing gate installation is now complete.